Hello friends, welcome back. In this session we are going to design our project's home page. At the end of the session, this is the final product that we shall have. So we are going to have our page, and remember all this is designed by Notion. So our page, we are going to have the page cover, our logo or icon. We shall have our project's home with the title, have a short description, and also shall have that shows our mission and also the contacts for support. We shall also add quick links where team members can easily access the team members page, documents, budget, meetings, projects, tasks, and a lot more. And I would say that you that is watching this, you can be able to customize your home page the way you want. So let's dive into this. Basically, whenever you create a new team space, every team space comes with a default home page. So we are focusing on Redare Project's team space, so it has a default home page. For example, even this that we created, it also has a default home page, so you can customize this. So our focus is on this one. Now we want to design a central home page or landing page where every team member can come and find quick links to, let's say, projects, to tasks, to documents, to meetings, and so on. So you can customize yours as you wish. Okay, first of all, let's first look at the team space name. So we are going to call this project's home. And now we are going to give it a small description. So I'm going to select all this and say this is where I have typed this. Now, Notion has the AI feature. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to select everything and tell Notion to improve the writing. And now it has improved. So when I read through welcome to Redare Projects, so if it makes sense, I can accept. Okay. So that is the simple one. So your description can be as long as you wish it to be. So now we have also this. And now here I can say, probably this is our mission. So which still I can select and tell AI to improve for me. So accept. I can change this and call it for support. We have a group on Kuguka platform, data-driven growth. So I can even bold this. Our email, team manager. So also we can include our contact, H2. These are the small details about this project's home. So probably you can add a little more details here. So I can also better this with Notion AI. Okay, it is now sign up at Data-Driven Project Management full course. So I can even bold this. So probably you don't like this color. Now, Notion has blocks. We shall keep learning these blocks one by one as we keep designing our project. I'll select this. Okay, everything will be selected. I'll come down here. Now there is text color as well as the background color. So we shall go to background and select purple. Now down here, I am going to remove these blocks and we create ours. So I'm going to call this quick links. Like I said, Notion works with blocks. You start with a slash for you to get the blocks. There are basic blocks and others. Okay, so I want to put a divider. That is a line. So I'll put the slash and search for divider. So will come here. So you can see I have added a line. So now after that, I want to create two columns here. The first column and another column. Okay, so I put the slash and search for columns. Two columns. Now on the first side, what we are going to do is we are going to add quick links to documents, meetings, projects, tasks, and others that may be of interest to you. So you can customize yours as you wish. So now we are going to add our links as pages. So when you click on it, it will take you to a page where you will find, let's say, projects, where you find meetings, and so on and so forth. So the first one is going to be a page. Okay, you select it and we are going to call it team members. So you notice that once I create a page, it will be added here and it will be under project's home. So I come back to the project's home. When I scroll down, you can see I have team members. Okay, so in the second column, I'm going to add that. So let me first add for the first column. So I'm going to add a slash, still page, and add another page for documents. So our project's documents will be there. So when I come back, I can add others. So let's first add icons here. So for team members, let's say I use icons. Let me just add people. Let me use that and also use purple. Documents, use this. Let me give it blue. So let me add another. It's a page still. And this one is going to be for probably you want budget. So you can still add the icon here and others. We shall customize those later on. So budget, let me put money. Okay, let me add that. Come back to the page. So I think that can be enough. So I'm going to come this side. Somehow I deleted my columns. Okay, so what we are going to do is simple. So let's come back here. Okay, let this be on top. So let's come back here and add our columns. So 2 columns. And we are going to drag this into the first column. This one also. So go to the second column. Now here we are going to add page. This is going to be for meetings. Then after that, we are going to add another. That is projects. And I'm going to also add a page for tasks. Alright, so we have our home page with the quick links. So let's now customize our page one more time. So let's add a logo here. I'm going to change this and we put our logo. So, okay, so our project's home has been updated. Now, one more thing we are going to do is we are going to add a cover. Okay, now let's add our cover. So go to add cover. Of course, one will be pre-selected for you, but we want to change it and just use a color. Okay, so this is our cover. So this is our color. Let me see if we can change it to something more custom. Now, of course, you can choose to change it to anything. For example, you can see there are also photos from Unsplash. Maybe you want to mimic an office background or anything that is similar. So for example, I can mimic this. So when I select this, you can see our background has changed. So I think we can take this. You can even reposition. So you drag this to what suits best. So then you save the position. This is our project's home. Now, when everyone comes, visits our project's home, they can be able to see it beautiful and well organized. Let's meet in the next session where we are going to start working on our project, tasks, meetings, and a lot more. So by the end of this series, we shall be able to have a fully fledged project management system. Thank you so much. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. And please stay tuned for the next session.